Ever wondered what could make a marriage proposal absolutely irresistible? I mean, besides the love of your life, obviously. We're talking about those jaw-dropping, heart-stopping, pinch me, I'm dreaming kind of incentives. Today we're diving into 10 breathtaking and unique marriage incentives that will leave you in awe. From exotic destinations to personalized experiences, get ready to say I do to a whole new level of amazing. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss a single one of these incredible ideas. Alright folks, let's kick things off with a classic, the destination wedding. Picture this: turquoise waters lapping at your feet, white sand between your toes as you say I do to the love of your life. We're talking about a wedding on a pristine beach, with the sun setting over the ocean, painting the sky in a kaleidoscope of colors. But hey, maybe the beach isn't your thing. Maybe you're more of a history buff, dreaming of a fairy tale wedding in a majestic castle. You know, the kind with towering turrets, sprawling gardens, and a sense of grandeur that takes you back in time. Well, guess what? Destination weddings can make those dreams a reality too. Imagine exchanging vows in a centuries-old cathedral, surrounded by the echoes of history and the whispers of love stories past. And the best part? Destination weddings aren't just about the ceremony. They're about creating an unforgettable experience for you and your guests. Think about it: exploring a new city, soaking up the local culture, and making memories that will last a lifetime. It's like hitting the jackpot of romance and adventure. Okay, let's talk about vows. Those heartfelt promises that seal the deal, the words that express the depth of your love and commitment. But sometimes finding the perfect words can feel like trying to catch lightning in a bottle, right? Well, hold on to your hats, because we're about to take vow writing to a whole new level. Imagine this: your love story, beautifully crafted into personalized vows by a renowned author. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about words that flow like honey, metaphors that make your heart skip a beat, and sentiments so profound, they'll leave everyone reaching for tissues. Think Nicholas Sparks penning your vows, capturing the essence of your love story with every syllable. Or maybe you're more of a Jane Austen couple, your vows infused with wit, charm, and a touch of classic romance. Just imagine the look on your partner's face as they hear those words, words that resonate deep within their soul, words that could only have been written for them. It's like having your own personal Shakespeare sonnet, a testament to your love that will be cherished for a lifetime. So, you're the adventurous type, huh? The kind of couple who thrives on adrenaline and craves experiences that are anything but ordinary? Well, buckle up, because this next marriage incentive is tailor-made for you. Forget the traditional wedding. We're talking about an adventure elopement that will have you saying I do with your heart in your throat. Picture this: you and your soulmate geared up and ready to take the plunge. Literally. You jump out of a perfectly good airplane, free-falling through the clouds, the wind whipping past you as you share a kiss that defies gravity. That's right, folks, we're talking about a skydiving elopement. But hey, maybe hurtling towards the earth at 120 miles per hour isn't your idea of romance. How about saying your vows on the summit of a majestic mountain, surrounded by breathtaking views that stretch as far as the eye can see? Or maybe you'd prefer to dive deep beneath the waves, exchanging rings in a colorful coral reef, surrounded by curious sea creatures who bear witness to your underwater love story. The possibilities are endless. An adventure elopement is about celebrating your love in a way that's as unique and exhilarating as your connection. It's about creating a memory that will have you saying, "Remember that time we got married while..." Alright, let's be honest, we've all fantasized about having a celebrity at our wedding, right? But what if I told you that you could have a celebrity officiate your wedding? Yes, you heard that right. Imagine the legendary Oprah Winfrey, with her infectious energy and words of wisdom, guiding you through your vows. Or maybe you're huge fans of Ellen DeGeneres, her humor and charm adding a touch of laughter and joy to your special day. Picture your favorite musician serenading you as you walk down the aisle, or your favorite actor delivering a heartfelt speech that brings everyone to tears. It's like something out of a Hollywood movie, except this time it's your love story that's taking center stage. Of course, securing a celebrity officiant might require some serious connections or a hefty donation to their favorite charity. But hey, for a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to have your wedding officiated by someone you admire, it might just be worth it. Let's talk bling, people. The engagement ring, a symbol of love, commitment, and the promise of forever. But who says you have to settle for a ring that's been sitting in a display case, waiting for just anyone to come along? Imagine this: A custom-designed engagement ring, crafted with your love story woven into every intricate detail. We're talking about a ring as unique and special as your love. A ring that tells your story without saying a word. Picture a ring with your birthstones intertwined, symbolizing the day your paths first crossed. Or maybe a hidden message engraved on the inside of the band, a secret only you two share. Imagine working with a skilled artisan who listens to your love story, your dreams, your vision, and then brings it to life in a piece of jewelry that will take your breath away. It's like having a piece of your heart captured in precious metal and gemstones, a tangible reminder of the love you share. Alright, fashionistas, this one's for you. We all want to look and feel our absolute best on our wedding day, right? But imagine this. Walking down the aisle in a limited edition wedding dress, a masterpiece of design and craftsmanship that's as rare as a unicorn riding a roller coaster. We're talking about a dress that turns heads, drops jaws, and makes everyone wonder, where on earth did she get that? Picture a dress so stunning it could grace the cover of Vogue, a dress that makes you feel like a princess, a queen, a goddess. But hey, it's not just about the dress, fellas. Imagine saying I do in a custom-tailored suit, crafted from the finest fabrics, with every stitch a testament to your impeccable style. We're talking about a suit that makes James Bond look like he's wearing his pajamas, a suit that exudes confidence, sophistication, and a touch of I woke up like this swagger. Chapter 7. Surprise honeymoon, pack your bags, adventure awaits. The honeymoon, that magical post-wedding getaway where you get to celebrate your love in a blissful haze of romance and relaxation. But what if I told you that your honeymoon destination could be a complete surprise? That's right, folks, we're talking about a surprise honeymoon planned entirely by your partner. A mystery adventure that will have you on the edge of your seat until the very last moment. Imagine this. You arrive at the airport, boarding pass in hand, but the destination is a secret. Is it a romantic getaway to Paris, the city of love? A tropical paradise in the Maldives, where you can spend your days lounging on white sand beaches and swimming in crystal-clear waters? Or maybe it's an adventure-packed safari in Africa, where you'll get to witness the beauty of nature's wonders firsthand. The possibilities are endless. The best part, the anticipation leading up to the big reveal, is all part of the fun. It's like unwrapping the best gift ever, except this gift comes with plane tickets, luxurious accommodations, and memories that will last a lifetime. Okay, let's talk about wedding venues. Sure, you could go with the traditional ballroom or garden setting, but why not think outside the box? We're talking about unique wedding venues that will make your special day truly unforgettable. Imagine this, you and your soulmate floating above the clouds in a hot air balloon, exchanging vows as the sun rises over a breathtaking landscape. Talk about a wedding with a view. Or maybe you're both history buffs dreaming of saying I do in a museum, surrounded by artifacts and masterpieces that have stood the test of time. Picture your first dance beneath the watchful gaze of dinosaurs or ancient Egyptian pharaohs. And for the ultimate adrenaline junkies, how about a wedding in an underwater aquarium surrounded by sharks, sea turtles, and a kaleidoscope of colorful fish? It's like something out of a fantasy novel. Let's face it, a wedding is more than just a ceremony. It's a celebration of love, a chance to gather your nearest and dearest and create memories that will last a lifetime. But what if you could take your guest experience to the next level? We're talking about interactive entertainment that will have everyone talking long after the last dance. Imagine this, your guests become part of the entertainment, participating in a live murder mystery dinner where they have to solve clues and unmask the culprit. Talk about a wedding reception that's anything but boring. Or maybe you'd prefer a live band that takes requests from the crowd, ensuring that everyone gets to dance to their favorite tunes. And for the ultimate crowd pleaser, how about a photo booth with a twist? We're talking about a 360-degree video booth that captures every angle of your guests' dance moves, creating a fun and interactive experience that they can share on social media. Alright, let's end on a heartwarming note, shall we? Your wedding day is a celebration of your love, but it can also be an opportunity to give back and make a difference in the world. Imagine this, instead of traditional wedding favors, you make a donation to your favorite charity in your guests' names. Whether it's a cause close to your heart or a global initiative, your generosity will have a lasting impact. Picture a card placed at each table, explaining your chosen charity and the difference your donation will make. Not only will this gesture touch the hearts of your guests, but it will also inspire them to pay it forward. It's a beautiful way to spread the love and start your married life on a note of compassion and generosity. So there you have it, folks. 10 breathtaking marriage incentives that are sure to make your special day even more unforgettable. Which of these unique marriage incentives would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And hey, while you're down there, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Remember, your love story deserves to be as unique and breathtaking as you are. Congratulations to all the happy couples out there. We'll see you in the next video.